A lot of people on the internet are building this free energy pump that works without electricity. But since I don't believe everything on the internet, I thought of trying this myself to see if it actually works. So I started with a plastic bottle and I made two holes, one at the top and one at the bottom. And then I inserted two pipes. The top hole is going to collect the water and the bottom one is going to drain it. So after all of that noise, it just didn't work. And also I tried using a bigger pipe for the bottom hole, but it still didn't work. And still not working. But there's still a way we can pump water without electricity. But it's going to be from an upper level to a lower level. This is called siphoning. So for this to work effectively, the container containing the water has to be higher than the one collecting the water. To pump the water, we're going to need a pipe. Now all we need to do is suck the water with a pipe from the top container to the bottom container. And as you can see here, it starts to pump. The dropping water creates a vacuum in the pipe and it draws the water in the top container into the bottom one. So guys, that's how siphoning works. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, stay creative, and stay safe. Goodbye.